Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. This is Suman Neelam Geology. Today now I am going to explain about standard stratigraphic and time scales. The concept of time is realized in an uninterrupted flow of events and phenomena. The geological time encompassing a total span of over 4.6 billion years since the earth was born is represented by past geological events and phenomena. These events and phenomena are recorded in rock sequences as pages of the earth's history. A certain amount of time is involved in deposition of any sequence of sedimentary rocks. During this time interval and the organisms also undergo evolutionary changes. The rock sequences which were deposited during a certain duration of geological time and which contain characteristic fossils constitute chronostratigraphic units. Thus, each chronostratigraphic unit represents a certain course in the Earth's history, and for each chronostratigraphic unit there is a corresponding time unit. The chronostratigraphic units and time units have separate sets of terminology. And Eratham in bracket chronostratigraphic unit is divided into systems. System again divided into series into stages, and stage into zones. Likewise, an era is the time unit, is divided into periods into epochs into ages, and age into the phase. Phase is the last point in the time unit. So this is the table 2.1 shows terminology of chronostratigraphic and time units. Chronostratigraphic units: Eratham, system, series, stage, and zone are the chronostratigraphic units. So time units are era. Table 2.1 terminology of chronostratigraphic and time units. Chronostratigraphic units are Eratham, system, series, stage, and zone. Examples are shown here, and time units are era, period, epoch, age, and phase. Examples are given in this table. Successive arrangement of stratigraphic and time units as standard reference for worldwide correlation are known as standard stratigraphic scale and geological time scale. These scales are based on past geological processes. Each division in the standard scale represents a natural stage in the earth history and the evolution of life. Passages from one stage of evolution to another define the natural boundaries between the subdivisions of the standard stratigraphic and time scales. Such passages in the history of the earth are often recorded by a number of crises, and such as the orogeny, extinction of a particular group of organisms, sudden climatic changes, etc. These crises in the earth's history of the earth are not likely to be recorded everywhere on the surface of the earth. Thus, only some of the standard stratigraphical units are recognized in an area or a region. This is the brief introduction about standard geological time scale.